Hey everyone, it's Mike again from the Mike Minute, and today I'm going to show you how to use your portal.
So if you go to CrowdVoice mobile app and you open the portal tab on the bottom left-hand corner of your screen, you'll be brought to a My Account page. On the My Account page, you'll see a button at the top that says Upgrade Your Account here. So if you haven't already upgraded your account from a free version of CrowdVoice to the premium version of CrowdVoice, you can do so by clicking that button. So as you can see here under My Account, it says your customer name, your subscription number, your country name. So what this actually means is when you make a phone call to someone else, the caller ID will show up as your cell phone number. So if we go up to the menu bar here and we go to access numbers, there's a public CrowdVoice number in Canada, Mexico, and the United States. So if anyone dials any of these international access numbers, they can then dial your 5-digit extension and it will ring your CrowdVoice app. Let's go back to My Account. Okay, next, you can sign up to earn income by inviting your friends and family. That is our affiliate program. You simply click the button here that says sign up, and then it will send a request to our team, and then you will get a message that says you're in review. The purpose of this is basically you can earn income by referring your friends and family to CrowdVoice when they upgrade to a premium account. We have a separate video on that. Be sure to check out that video as well. Once you're set up in the affiliate program and you're ready to invite your friends and family to CrowdVoice, we make it really easy to do so by creating a referral link by hitting this copy button. And then when you invite someone, you can see your active invitations and the people who have signed up through this tab right here called affiliate invitations. And then below that is update caller ID. I can also update my SMS caller ID, and I can cancel my account if I want to.
Pretty simple, right guys? Alright, stay tuned for more how-to videos coming soon.